Hello and welcome. I'm glad you made it here. Now, I have always had this feeling that life doesn't have to be a struggle. It doesn't have to be this constant, never ending struggle, which is the experience of most people. For most people, it is an uphill task. Getting by every day is a struggle. And I've always wondered, is this how it ought to be? Is this how it has to be? And deep within me, I know this is not how it has to be. This is not how it ought to be. And that drove me to study. And I have given a lot of time on the subject. I have studied a lot of self-help and spiritual literature, just trying to understand the nature of life and why does it have to be a struggle and why do we have to struggle. And I came to realize that we all come from struggle, but that is not the end of it. Life was never meant to be a struggle. And if you are like me and you have it within you, you know it within you, that it doesn't have to be this struggle. That life was always ever meant to be this gentle work on a fine day. If you feel that within you, that life has to be this smooth ride and not this uphill task. If you've ever felt that way, then you want to click the link below. You will be glad you did. It will take you to a site where they teach you how to come out of struggle into the life that you were meant to live, which is this gentle walk on a sunny day. Thank you.